Hey everyone, welcome back to our virtual showroom. Another great pre-owned vehicle, 2020 Hyundai Santa Fe Preferred all-wheel drive. I go and buy quite a few of these. Lots of value here. Save thousands off the price of new. So again, we'll do a quick walk around the outside. I'll show you some interior features. So again, preferred all-wheel drive. So lots of standard features. Got the H-Track all-wheel drive, sporty exhaust tip on the bottom there. Keep walking around. Nice gunmetal wheels. Proximity key, push button start. You got turn signal indicators on the mirrors. You got the nice big fog lights. Big Hyundai grille. You can see hood, glass, roof, all in great shape. You've got side rails. You can always add cross rails as well. So if you have any ski box or anything like that, so you add the cross rails, you can put a ski box, kayak carrier, or anything like that up there. Again, good sized trunk. You got anchors on all three seats. You can fold, they're 60/40. You can fold one or both down. Just make sure your kid seats are out of there before you do it. We don't want to get the kids, we don't fold the kids here. You got a 12 volt back here. You got some additional storage as well. So again, lots of good features there. You got your jack here, some more storage. So again, no shortage of storage, especially if you fold those seats down. Lots of room for a little at-home project. Move over here. Cloth's all in nice shape. Carpets are in nice shape, as you can see. We've got some battery plug-ins down there for the kids or your passengers. You got some rear ventilation, which is always nice. You also got cup holders in the middle that pull out or fold up, so you can add that fifth passenger. You've got power windows. You got the privacy shades, which are great for kids or animals, especially in the summertime. Keep the sun off those, our most nearest and dearest. Push button proximity key, so you hit that, lock, unlock. I'm not going to do it because I left the keys in the car. It's just going to beep at me. You have power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You have locking rear windows as well, which is a great feature for the kids. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, right, I turned it on. There you go. You got a power driver's seat with lumbar support. You've got lane departure warning, adaptive cruise. You've got four-wheel drive lock, traction control. You've also adjusted your interior illumination. So again, some great safety features. You've got push button start, which is more of a comfort feature, I would say. You've got all your cruise Bluetooth voice recognition on the left hand side with your volume controls. On this side you got your cruise controls. You can adjust your adaptive cruise. You also have a menu here that you can toggle through and personalize the vehicle with some of your settings. So again, some nice features there. You've got a parking sensors which you can shut off. Again, this is you've got your electric parking brake. You have drive modes, so you can drive it in comfort, sport, or smart. So again, all preference. You got downhill brake assist control. So again, lots of standard features. You got your 12 volt auxiliaries and plugins down there. Dual zone climate control. You've got 3-stage heated seats on both sides. You got heated steering wheel. So tons of standard features. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto capabilities. So as we always say, plug your Apple phone and your Android phone in, have access to navigation, real-time traffic reports, your music, your photos, your movies. If you're parked, hey, put a movie on. Just not while you're driving. Backup camera. So again, all the standard features you'd expect to find in this Santa Fe. Super low kilometers, guys. It's a great vehicle. Sorry, just thought somebody was coming at me there. Great vehicle. You don't want to miss out. 17,000 kilometers. So we just looked at a 2020 Hyundai Santa Fe Preferred all-wheel drive. Loaded up. Factory warranty up to 100,000 kilometers. Call, text, or email if you have any questions. Shop 24/7@CUHyundai.com. And make sure you follow us on Facebook. Very important. We do tons of giveaways, draws. So whether you're in the market or not, it definitely pays to follow us. Thank you.